I'm Lucy Goldman for LoveLearnings TV. When I tell people I'm a texting expert, a lot of them roll their eyes, but I've spent years teaching women all over the world how to use texting to get the love life they want. Texting is just another form of communication, and if you can master it, you can do anything. So, let's get into it. Here's the situation. You have a crush on a guy, but you two aren't in regular contact. You want to move from lingering glances to the talking stage. And to do that, you need him to text you. I think this is a great idea. So much about a relationship is determined by these early moments of connection. Now, I'm going to say something very controversial here. Some of you may consider this old-fashioned, but the truth is, it has been a factor in love and relationships between men and women since the beginning of time. Women attract and men pursue. Whether this is biology or society, it really doesn't matter. What's important is that you're trying to attract a man and create love, so understanding this dynamic is vital. That's why it really does make sense to wait for him to text you first. But what happens when men don't make the first move? When you're dealing with shy or oblivious men, it can be very frustrating. Don't worry, I've come up with a solution. I'll take you through 3 steps that will make him notice you and reach out to make a connection. If you can do this right, it won't be a matter of if, but when he'll fall head over heels for you. I call it the ABCs of attraction. Now, just remember, LoveLearnings TV is in no way associated with Sesame Street. Let's get into it. A is for activate his attention. This is key to any romantic interaction, no matter who you are. There's no reason to expect him to text you first if he doesn't even know you exist. Or what if he has your number, but you two haven't talked in months? Whatever the situation, you need to activate your man if you want to get anywhere. But how can you do this without texting him first? Subtlety is the key here. The whole point is to make him text you first, not the other way around. That said, some sort of interaction is required. What kind of interaction will all depend on how you know him. I often advise women to give the man they like their number. Make up some excuse as to why he needs it. Maybe you want him to send you the name of a brand he mentioned or a cool restaurant. The lamer your reason, the more likely he is to get the message that you're interested. Can you send messages that he can't ignore? I found a series of words and phrases that tap into a man's most primal urges to make him yearn for you. Go to attractiontexts.com right now to learn exactly how this works. B is for be available. When I tell women to be available, it doesn't mean be overly flirty or even desperate. It's simply about being open and receptive. This availability isn't even targeted at the guy in particular. If you give off the sense that you're open to whatever might come along, this will make you desirable, and it can even ignite a man's hunter instinct. He'll be worried that a woman who is so in love with life won't remain on the market for long. Subconsciously, this will push him towards you and encourage him to make his move before it's too late. How do you show him you're available? Again, this will depend on how you know him and how you get to see him. If he's following you on social media, it can be as simple as making a couple posts to show that you like to have fun and try new things. C is for create anticipation. Building anticipation is a surefire way to make men interested in you and just drive them wild. Anticipation is what drives men to pursue women, and you can create it in your man without him ever even knowing. Create anticipation through subtle flirting. A lingering glance can do wonders here. Another way to create anticipation is by limiting your time together. Now, this may seem counterintuitive, but it really does work. You want to always be the one to end an interaction, no matter what. If you always seem to be headed out the door, he'll wonder why he can't get enough of you. Plus, he'll want to know what you're up to that's so exciting. Whether or not he knows why, he'll be subconsciously drawn to you and try to keep you around. And if you can get him to feel that, it's only a matter of time before he's yours. Thanks for sticking around through the entire video. Here's a bonus letter for you diehards. D is for don't despair. Your mindset is very important during this process. Keep your spirits high and make sure you're confident and in control. If you're feeling lost or without hope in your romantic life, you need to go to coachnorth.com right now. Amy's devotion system will tell you not only how to attract any man, but it'll give you the confidence you need to make him yours for good. Watch her free video presentation now, and it'll tell you everything you need to know to make your dream love life into reality. That's coachnorth.com. Do you have any sneaky tactics to make men text you first? Please leave them in the comments below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.